So everybody always asks me, so how do you wash your monkey? I know, right? It's like bizarre. But today I've decided I'm actually going to show you exactly how I wash my monkey. First, as you see here, we are in the bathroom. And this is where most people like to wash their monkeys. So let's get started. First, let's take this off and these off. And pull that shower curtain here. And as you see, we have some Nivea Touch of Sparkle Cream Oil Body Wash that is actually perfect for washing monkeys. And we're going to turn on some water here. Okay, that should be good. You ready for this? Here it goes. Meet my monkey. I'm gonna sit him right up here, just like that. And we're going to get our monkey wet. And a little bit of soap. Nice and soapy here. Gotta get the tail. And of course, behind the ears. And there you go. That is how I wash my monkey.